Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation of the new Zontes 350E, and I'm thinking E stands for executive. Amazing bike, just been released this week. The bike is feature packed, it's longer, it's wider, can fit two XXL helmets under the seat. It's just brilliant. Please watch to the end because all the features I've put on there. There's four colours, there's matte black, there's porcelain blue, there's a bright silver, and a matte black. These are some of the specs. Please pause the video as you're going through it because you'll find that you won't be able to read it quick enough. There's so many specs, it's unbelievable. Right, I'm going to leave you to it. Please enjoy the video, and I'll put a bonus ride video at the end for you as well. Cheers. Please subscribe. This is Mad Mick signing off until next time.
And I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chance made the right. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chance made the right. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chance made the right. The gas in the back of the sun, never leaves. She's so bad that the chance made the right. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside